And I'm Kim Thurman. Our big story right now at 10 o'clock. A judge confirms former Prichard City Council President Earline Martin Harris does not live in Prichard.
Yeah, we brought this to light last year and exposed how Martin Harris lived across the bay in Daphne while serving as an elected official in Prichard. Local 15's Andrea Ramey has been investigating Martin Harris.
Andrea, she was fighting to restore her voting rights in Prichard.
That's right, Kim. She had gone to the polls, but poll workers turned her away because they said she did not live in the city. Well, after reviewing all the evidence in this case, a judge agreed. Tonight here at City Hall, some Prichard residents got together and decided that Earline Martin Harris owes the city some money.
My hand was raised very high.
With an informal show of hands at tonight's town hall meeting, Prichard residents voted to seek restitution from former city councilwoman Earline Martin Harris.
She should be made to pay back the restitution money.
Local 15 News exposed how the former elected leader really lived in Daphne while serving in office. The DA sought to remove her, but Martin Harris resigned before the trial began. A special election that cost the city tens of thousands of dollars was subsequently held to fill her seat.
I think it's safe to say that having to spend that kind of money for an election that we did not budget and that we did not anticipate on having to happen, I think that hurt us financially.
Martin Harris tried to vote in the special election to fill her own seat, but was turned away. Friday, she was in probate court fighting to get her voting rights restored.
You should have your right to vote where you live. I live in the city of Prichard.
The judge disagreed and ruled she's not a resident and can't vote in Mobile County. Now her former constituents and her successor say she should not only pay back her salary, but also pay back the cost of the special election.
The city is scrapped for money as it is, and we need our money.
I think something needs to be done to deter the future person that might want to do the same thing.
Now, Campbell Morris, who filled Martin Harris's seat, says the next step is to consult with the city council attorney to see how legally do they go about doing this and can they do it. Martin Harris did not return my call back tonight for comment. Reporting live in Prichard tonight, Andrea Ramey, Local 15 News.
Andrea, thanks. Of course, Local 15 News was the first to question Martin Harris's residency in the city of Prichard during a Local 15 reality check back in November last year.
You can watch that entire story on our website. Just go to the reality check section.